Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your watch can run third-party apps and has a working network connection. Without that, YouTube won't run. Once confirmed, update the watch OS and charge it above half so installs won't fail. Make sure your phone's companion app is installed and paired. This lets you sideload packages or access the official store. If developer or app install options are hidden, open Settings on the Watch Companion app and enable them so you can proceed to install the YouTube client. Now install YouTube via the watch's app store when available. That's easiest. If no official app exists, sideload the compatible APK using ADB over Wi-Fi or the phone companion's file transfer feature. This takes a few minutes but is reliable. Once installed, grant permissions for network and audio so streaming works. Then open YouTube, sign in with your Google account, and adjust playback defaults. Select lower default quality to conserve data and set orientation so controls appear correctly on your watch face. Finish by testing playback. Play a short clip, check volume, and confirm video appears. If buffering, switch to lower quality and try again. Make sure your Google account is linked so subscriptions and history sync. Enable casting or offline downloads if your watch supports them. If you hit errors during install or launch, clear app storage, reboot both watch and phone, then retry the sideload with a different compatible APK version. That simple reboot and retry step fixes most problems and gets YouTube running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.